Think Brazilian waxing is just a beauty trend? Think again. What you're about to see is a transformation. One woman's raw, honest journey into the world of ultimate depilation, and the secrets she learns along the way will surprise you. Meet Anna. She's 29, lives in Rio de Janeiro, and like many of us, she's tried shaving, creams, and at-home kits, but nothing worked until she committed to a full Brazilian wax. What she didn't expect was that this experience would teach her more about confidence, culture, and self-care than any YouTube tutorial ever could. Anna's first appointment was nerve-wracking. The room smelled like lavender oil. Soft music played, but her heart raced. The pain, yes, it's real, but it lasted only seconds. What stuck with her was the after feeling, like she had shed more than hair. She shed insecurity. It turns out 78 of women who get Brazilian waxes say it boosts their self-esteem. Why? Because taking control of your body on your terms is powerful. Anna learned a few secrets during her sessions, things the salons don't always tell you. Exfoliation is key. Dead skin equals ingrown hairs. Use a sugar scrub 2 days before. Numbing creams exist. Game changer for first-timers. Post-care is sacred. Avoid tight clothing and hot showers for 24 hours. And here's one more. Communication. Don't be shy. The professionals are trained and want you to feel safe. Anna didn't just walk out with smooth skin. She walked out glowing, more confident, more in control, and yes, ready to wear that swimsuit with zero hesitation. The biggest Brazilian waxing secret. It's not about beauty. It's about owning your body and your comfort zone. Would you try a Brazilian wax after hearing Anna's story? Let us know in the comments. For more real stories, health tips, and body confidence journeys, subscribe to MTH Health. Your body, your choice, your journey.